Closing your eyes, breathing deeply in and out, focusing all of your attention on your breath, the rise and fall of your chest, the feeling of the air gently moving past your nostrils, filling your body and then leaving your body. Feeling your body relaxing and letting go. Focusing on your breathing, allowing the air to fill you up as you breathe in, allowing your body and your mind to let go as you breathe out. Take some long breaths now, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, letting go of any tension as you breathe out. Feel yourself unraveling as you breathe out. Feel the tension unraveling in your body and falling away from your physical reality. Feel the tension unraveling in your mind. Imagine that every time you breathe in, you are filling yourself up, energy in, light in, abundance of joy, fun and ease in. Smile as you breathe in. As you breathe out, you are letting go. You are letting yourself go, letting your knowledge out, letting your voice out, letting out your feelings, letting go of your worries and concerns, letting out any tension or feelings of stress, letting out your inspiration, letting yourself be seen. As you breathe out, you are giving to the world, giving your individual expression. Breathing in, you are allowing in life force, allowing in prana, allowing in love. As that breath becomes part of your body, it is integrated, it is used by your cells, used by your energy to create a new expression. As you breathe out, you are giving your individual expression out. You are assisting the world with your unique expression. Now letting go of controlled breathing, letting your breath soften as you breathe in and out through your nose. Feeling a wave of relaxation flowing down your entire body, feeling relaxed, calm and peaceful. Just observing your natural breath now. If you wish, you may want to stand. Imagine roots that move out of your feet and into the ground. Imagine you can feel your energy moving down your legs, out to your feet, and feel that energy traveling to the very center of the earth, grounding you deeply to the earth. See and feel that energy making its way back up through the earth, all the way back up until it reaches your feet. Then it travels through your feet, up your legs, Filling your body with beautiful Mother Earth energy, traveling up your body, through your heart, and out the top of your head. Allow golden light from the Creator to travel down and into your head. That beautiful golden light traveling through your face, through your heart and stomach, down your legs and traveling deep into the ground. You are feeling grounded, centered and balanced. Imagine now that you are in the center of a circle. You are strong and grounded in this circle. No matter what happens outside of you, you are in the center, standing strong and grounded in the center of this circle. Breathe in. Anything can move past you or around you, but you are strong, centered and balanced in the middle of the circle, like the eye of a storm. Always calm and peaceful in the center. It doesn't matter what happens outside. At your core you are calm, centered and balanced. Breathe in. You are giving thanks for this life, for this day, for this moment now. You open your arms wide above your head, and with deep appreciation in your heart, you repeat out loud or silently to yourself, "Thank you for this day. Thank you for the rising of the sun. Thank you for my family, my friends, my colleagues. Thank you for my life. Thank you for all of my blessings." I would like you to spend 1 minute now allowing yourself to be grateful for all the blessings that you have in your life right now. Thank you for the oxygen that fills my lungs. Thank you for the feeling of love. Thank you for my abundant, prosperous and wealthy life. Thank you for fun. Thank you for focus. Breathe in deeply. Feel your connectedness. Feel your alignment. You are never separate. You are always connected, whole and complete. Feel your oneness. Feel that you are a particle of the source of all that is. You are a part of that magnificence. You are a part of the sublime power. You are a part of that unbounded potential. Feel it. Feel your connection now. Breathe in deeply, and as you do, feel your energy growing, expanding out. Feel your current perceived edges or limits of your body dissolving, and allow the energy that is you, the light that is you, to spread out further. Allow yourself to expand, to grow, to open out. Breathe in deeply, imagining you are filling up and the edges of where you formerly thought you were are moving outward. Breathe deeply. Within this expanded awareness, allow yourself to have pinpoint focus. Feel expanded at first, then see yourself having incredible focus, laser attention. Feel it coming from your third eye. That attention, that focus into one pointed area. You can feel this expansive, flowering energy and needlepoint focus and attention. Every one of us is an expression of the infinite. We are all powerful creators who are creating the world around us with our thoughts and feelings. What do you want to create in this day? Imagine for a moment that this day is completed and you are looking back on it. What do you want to happen today? Imagine and feel what it would be like for everything today to have gone perfectly and wonderfully well. If your intended day is to be working, imagine for it to have all gone well. You have accomplished what you wanted. You are feeling fulfilled, satisfied and happy with what you have done and the connections you have made. Set your intention now to be focused and to feel fun, joy and ease in your day today. Allow the energy to flow to you and through you. See everything that you have to do today. See it being done. See yourself feeling good about what you have accomplished and the connections you have made. Imagine that it is already done. Imagine that whatever your day entails, every person you meet, every place you go, you've made a little lighter, a little happier today because you have set your intention to bring happiness, success, and joy everywhere you go. Breathe in. Now let your day go. Breathe out. Have a mental image of letting it go. Open your hands, turn them outward, and set it free. You know that although you are the creator of your world, you also must trust in the power and presence of the all-inclusive consciousness. No matter what happens today, you will know that everything is working out perfectly for you and that you are always in the right place at the right time, and you are constantly being guided, assisted, and supported by the universe. The universe is a loving and wonderful place, and you feel that you are in the flow of this expanded, all-knowing and all-loving presence. And you are blessed to be adding your unique energy to the environment around you. This is a wonderful new day. This is Jess Shepherd from Rising Higher Meditation. Thank you for spending this moment with me. My love and appreciation flows out to you.